Hello, my name is Konkana Bakshi. I'm the Principal Image and Etiquette Consultant at Savoir-Faire Academy, the luxury finishing school in Mumbai. We host a 2-day ladies finishing school workshop. Konkana Bakshi, pleasure. The whole idea of this 2-day finishing school program, where we focus on image consulting plus social etiquette, is to give you an understanding what we teach on 21 session module or 43 session module private transformation. This is like a 2 days gist where the ladies experience savoir-faire in a quick way. We will do color analysis, which is one of the most important sessions in image consulting.
I am truly grateful for the insights I have gained. They are going to help me create my personal presence and social image.
It was an amazing experience as I learned too many new things about myself and about social etiquette.
We don't hold a fork and a knife like this, like you're going to kill someone. It's always in this fashion. Make them kiss.
I extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Ms. Bakshi. I can definitely say that I feel so much confident and I've learned so much more that I'm going to carry this for life.
Konkana is somebody who is so well invested in the teaching and the training that small nitty-gritties, small nuggets of knowledge that she's provided, that is going to stay along with us for a long time.
So blush, you don't have to coordinate with your lips. Lips, eyes has to be coordinated with your outfit.
It's been a very memorable affair for sure, because there are so many things that you do in your daily life and you're not aware that you're doing it incorrectly. So thank you so much, Konkana. I had a blast and I'm definitely coming again.
Ms. Bakshi has a great eye for detail, and the color analysis, the style analysis, face analysis which was done for us was quite elaborate.
Number one focal point is the hairline till the tip of your nose.
Miss Konkana Bakshi, I think you're a true inspiration yourself, and I feel myself very lucky to be a part of this session. Today, actually, when I leave this particular seminar, I really look like I'm a changed person in my perspective also, and definitely in my way of conduct.
Put it on top of your head, all of you, and you simply try to walk.
I loved every aspect of the program. I'm really grateful for being mentored by her. I've received so much clarity in terms of everything that today, from now onwards, I know every aspect of my life is never going to be the same again.
Afternoon tea, high tea, cream tea and tea. This is how you lift your tea. Coffee is in this way.
I think Ms. Bakshi has an experience that spans over a lot of years, and she not only taught us about Indian culture but about diverse cultural experiences from all over the world, which added to our learning.
It's so pretty. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you. You're so good in class. Thank you so much.